This is an overview of a series of 5 video demonstrations for kindergarten parents to teach short vowel sounds. Each vowel sound has a picture that begins with its sound. Short A makes the A sound in apple. Short E makes the E sound in elephant. Short I makes the I sound in igloo. Short O makes the ah sound in octopus. And short U makes the sound in umbrella. During kindergarten, kids learn short vowel sounds and how to use them to make consonant short vowel consonant, also known as CVC words. Let's look at our first example. We have the short A sound, A, as in apple. We have a picture of a cat, and we need to make that CVC word. We hear k, a, t, and we blend those 3 sounds together, and we have the CVC word cat. These 5 activities are demonstrated for each short vowel in the series of videos. This is a template example for the first activity, connect sounds to letters, that will be demonstrated in each video. This is an example of the second activity, building words. This is an example of the third activity, picture word match. This is an example of the fourth activity, listening for short vowel sound. And this is an example of the fifth activity, real-world connections. The link to download the templates will be listed in the description section of each video.